G'day guys, Greg here. Now, KFC, they've got a new box. It's called the Complete Treat Box. Mate, I don't know what the Complete Treat is, but if it's got KFC, well, that's treat enough for me. But I wonder, does it have a toy or something? Is that the treat? Or is the treat just the 11 secret herbs and spices? Well, we're about to find out. Let's whip on into KFC and grab one. Let's do it! All right, well, here we go. The Complete Treat Box from KFC. My favourite. Look, I brought the scales. Let's see how much this weighs. 725,727 grams. That's a jet plane's worth of weight. That's like 1.5 pounds worth of tucker. Gosh, what a feast. Let's find out what we got. Now, for starters, this meal costs $12.95. So we got a can of Pepsi Max. Oh, great. I'm not a big fan of diet drinks. Why couldn't they give me a heavy one? Anyway, I'll be mixed with some spirits later, so I probably won't even taste the difference. Now, inside the box, let's see what we get. Whoa, dudes! What a complete treat! Well, I think. Let's see what we get. Well, we got some chips here. A mashed potato and gravy, you beauty. We've got a burger here. What's in this? Wow! We got the Kentucky Fried Donuts, you ripper. And we got 3 wicked wings as well. Well, let's see what burger we got. Pretty sure it's just the original burger. Well, we got the bun here, sesame seed. Well, it's a piece of chicken, not sure if it's the original. And some lettuce and mayonnaise. Let's see what burger this is. It could be a zinger. Yes, it is. Well, I thought it was going to be original recipe, but zinger? That's a great surprise, isn't it? Well, lucky for me, I got everything that they said that I was supposed to get in this box. You little ripper. Let's try some of their chips while they're still hot. Oh. Could do with some more seasoning. Now, the zinger burger, you little beauty. Going down an absolute treat. And I'm sure in a couple of hours it'll be coming out an absolute treat as well. Yeah, that's right. Let's try a wicked wing. Look how much coating is on that. Wow. It is absolutely laden with it. Crunchy. Juicy. Tasty. Is it supposed to be spicy? I'm not getting too much spicy flavour from a wicked wing, but who cares, mate? It tastes so good. And greasy. Yeah. Let's try the mashed potato and gravy. I recently had one from Red Rooster. It was so good. But have a look at this gravy and this. The Red Rooster one's really thick, and this is more like sort of, well, pretty runny. I don't mind runny gravy though. Pretty good. But I still think Red Rooster's got the best potato and gravy. And the last but not least thing that we have today for dessert, once you finish it all, is the KFC Kentucky Fried Donuts. Let's see if they're as good as I remember. Well, I remember them being as crunchy looking as this and the same colour. Oh, yeah. And they bust open with a crunching sound. Ah, light and fluffy inside. Oh, yeah. These are some good donuts. Donuts. All right, well, I think I've had enough of it now to know what score I'm going to give it. Out of 10. Value-wise, $12.95. Well, it was a complete treat. I did get the Kentucky Fried Donuts, wicked wings, chips, potato and gravy, a drink, and a burger as well. All the food, dessert, and a drink. Well, that's pretty good. Taste-wise, well, I'll tell you what, the burger was pretty good. That was nice. Those wicked wings, mate, how good are those things? So juicy and crunchy at the same time. The chips, always a favourite. That mashed potato and gravy, what more do you want? Well, you know what else I want? Some of these Kentucky Fried Donuts, mate. How good are these things? Pretty tasty. And including a drink, mate. I just wish it wasn't a fake sugar one and it was full of real sugar like a real man would drink. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the complete treat, if this crow would shut up, I'd give this boxer 9.5 out of 10. The only reason I'm not giving it a 10 out of 10 is because I don't want this stuff. And I thought it might be an original recipe burger, not the Zinger burger. Now, I know it's probably the favourite of most people, but it's not my favourite. I could have changed it, though, on the app. I could have changed all those things. So, let's just settle for a 10 out of 10. What a great feast. What a great feed. What a great meal. KFC always come through with the goods, much better than most other places. No wonder it could be right up there with my favourite. I don't ask for much, and, well, you know, normally I'm very disappointed, but KFC always comes through with the goods, so thanks, KFC. And thanks to those guys inside who recognised me and came up and said g'day, the two brothers. It's always great meeting fans. Now, if you want to be a fan, remember subscribe for more, thumb this video up, check out the links below, and I'll see you next time I review something. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the